Welcome back to Business Statistics, and today we're going to talk about the different types of statistics that we can have. And the first one we're going to talk about is when we know the full population of a data. So a descriptive statistic is when we are organizing, summarizing, and presenting data of a population in an informative way. Now compare this to inferential statistics, which are when we make decisions based on a limited amount or limited set of data. In descriptive, we have the full set of data, but in inferential, we are estimating a property of the population on the basis of a sample. So when we're talking about statistics, right, we're oftentimes going to talk about inferential, right? We sometimes don't know the whole population, or maybe it's just unfeasible or far too expensive in order to actually figure out or survey that whole population or get all of the data from that full population, right? So a descriptive statistic would be talking about all of the schools, public schools in Nebraska, right? That's something where we do have data, and we could say, that the average classroom size for all the schools in Nebraska is blank, right? Or for Chadron State, the average classroom size is, or student to teacher ratio is 19:1, right? Now, inferential, this is when we are estimating something based on a sample. So we might figure out that, from a survey of 100 Nebraska schools, we estimate that the percentage of children, experiencing food insecurity or something like that for the whole population in Nebraska based on that sample, right? So we only survey the 100 Nebraskan schools instead of the hundreds that there are, right? And we estimate from that survey. So that's going to be a inferential statistic rather than a descriptive statistic. Now, we use some words here, right, that we haven't defined formally. So let's go ahead and do that. A population is an entire set of individuals, object of interest, or whatever measurements. We're just going to say individuals right now. The entire set of individuals. And then a sample is going to be a portion or a part of that population of interest.